Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 ban issue, why it's happening and how you can fix it. Before we begin, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. Activision recently released Call of Duty Black Ops 7 worldwide for all platforms. However, many gamers were disappointed because after playing for just a few minutes or hours, their accounts were banned for no apparent reason, along with this message from the company. If you landed on this video, there is a good chance you are facing the same issue. If you're wondering why this happened to you, it's likely because you used New Zealand trick where users changed their location on the Activision website to New Zealand in order to play the game early. A majority of users have confirmed this on Reddit as well. However, there is a group of players who didn't use any trick or anti-cheat bypass, yet their accounts still got banned. Now let's come to the main point of this video, how to fix this ban issue in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Whether you use the New Zealand trick or not, the only thing you can do is appeal the ban by visiting the official Activision support page. I will add the link in a description. Click on the login to continue and sign in using your Activision credentials. Once you are logged in, click continue. Accept the terms and provide required information during the appeal process. A majority of users have confirmed that their accounts were unbanned soon after, along with an apology from the company. And that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.